Hey guys, this is Jay Blue coming to another video, and today I want to show you guys one of my longest ongoing builds for 2017. This is actually one of my gaming rigs. I just updated the video card, well, upgraded it I guess you say. There used to be a AMD Radeon R9 in there, and I just changed it into the ASUS GTX 1080 Ti, the Titans. The VR 12 gig or 11 gig overclock video card. So that, here, let me just give you guys a rundown. This is an NZXT Vulcan micro ATX case, and I got an i5 3.20 gigahertz. I got a motherboard that's micro ATX, which is ASUS as well. It is a B85M-G revision 2.0, I believe, the high endurance one. And then I have, I believe, Trident RAM at 32 gigs, the 2100 megahertz clocked one, so that's like the higher ones. And then I upgraded the video card from an AMD to an ASUS GeForce GTX 1080 Titan Poseidon edition to go with it. So now it's all rogged out. And let me see what else I got here. The cables with combs, as you can see, they're sleeved. I had to actually custom this. This is a double 8 pin to double 6 pin, and I just had to like rig it up nicely because it looked disgusting as there was no like sleeved cable for it, so I just had to jump it through my PSU. There's a radiator there, a pump. Obviously acrylic, as you can see there, it's going all over the place, as well with the lighting features. I do have to change those lights to red as I ran out. I only had blue 3mm LEDs, so I just slapped those in there. That fan came from my other tower, so I have to replace that too, as my other one is basically lacking a fan now. And yeah, like I said, this is one of the longest ongoing builds that I've had for 2017. I didn't have time to slap it all together. I was just able to basically slap it all together now and get it running for you guys. I do have some backup hard drive OSs that I set up just for the fact that I got into mining lately. So as far as gaming is, this thing is like, you know, over the top. And when it comes to the mining part of it, I'm actually making around $175 to $220 Canadian right about now. Here, let me just see if I could just give you guys a full whirl on it. I am missing top radiators. As you notice, this here, there's two little knobs. A lot of people don't really notice that. The knob controls the pump, and the second one controls the fans. You can invert that if you really wanted to. I'll just give you guys a little peek. As you can see, the RPM is accelerating, and the flow meter does work corresponding to the pump, so you can override it and do it manually. As well as the overclock features, you can increase the fan speeds depending on what you have running in your system. They usually come with little programs that can, you know, like fan tuner and all that, whatnot. But like I said, so this is one of the longest ongoing builds. It's been in the box and parts, and I never got to like slap it all together. Like, it was running for a little bit, and like it didn't really have all this all in it. It was not liquid cooled. It was just sitting, and I didn't want it to get all dusty, and I just wanted it, you know, kind of refined and running the way it should be. So yeah, like I said, there's another turning point too, is everything that I'm doing now towards my company is going to be the Umbrella Corporation Labs, which that's what we're changing it to, and that's why everything seems to be themed out with this new umbrella thing going on. So like I said, I hope you guys like it. I just want to show you guys because I didn't really get to show anybody yet, and this is kind of what I do on a day-to-day thing for people as a computer technician. I basically assemble computers for people, and I've never got to build one myself or really like just have one for gaming like this to basically show people and showcase it kind of thing. So I hope you guys like it. I'll try to list all the specifications in the bottom of the description. Like I said, I hope you guys like it. Tell me what you think, and just leave a comment down below. Thanks again. See you guys later.